Good morning students. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine at home and doing your studies very well. Today we will discuss about extension of numbers, order of numbers, comparison of numbers and the greatest and the smallest number. So we will start with extension of numbers. What is extension of number? As it is showing by the name extension. When we extend any number in simple forms, it is called extension of numbers. We will understood this. Let us take an example to understand this concept. Suppose I am taking here a 4-digit number 7246. Now we have to extend this number. What we have to do? First we will see the place value of each digit in this number. 6 is on 1's place, 4 is on 10's place, 2 is on 100 place and 7 is on 1000 place. So basically when we write any number in extension, we have to put the place value together with the digit. Now 7 is on 1000 place, we will multiply 7 by 1000 by its place value. Similarly, 2 is on 100 place, we will multiply it by 100. 4 is on 10's place, we will multiply it by 10. And 6 is on 1's place, we will multiply it by 1. Now multiply all the number which is given in this form. 7 into 1000, 7000. 2 into 100, 200. 4 into 10, 40. And 6 into 1, 6. Now this form is called the extension form of the number 7246. Like this, you can easily extend any number, any 4-digit number or more than 4-digit number as you wish. Our second topic is order of numbers. Order of numbers. So basically, order of number, what we have to learn in order of numbers? We have to learn that which number comes first and which number comes last. The order of numbers depend on two forms of number. First one is successor and second one is predecessor. To know how many numbers will come after the given number or how many numbers will come before the given number, we have to find out its successors and predecessor. Now what is successor and what is predecessor? Successor, as you can see that the name is showing itself successor, the number which comes forward. That means the number which is given to you and the next number which is coming after this number, it is called its successor. Similarly, what is predecessor? The number which comes before the given number, it is called predecessor. We will understand this concept also with an example. Let us take an example of 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-digit number here. Now we have to take successor and predecessor to know the order of number. Now, as I have told you, what is successor and what is predecessor? Successor. When will we get successor of any number? Suppose it is number which is given to us 1234 and now we have to get the successor of this number. How will you get? Just simply add 1 into this number and you get its successor. I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the number given, plus 1, the number is 1235. Now it is called the successor of given number. Similarly, what is predecessor? As the name is showing pre, that means the number which is coming before the given number. So we will minus from the given number 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 3. Here 1235 is successor of this one and 1233 is predecessor of this number. Students, you can also use this method +1 and -1 and you can easily find out the predecessor of successor of any given number. Now let us take another topic. Another topic is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. What would you think? What comes in your mind when we think about it? Comparison of numbers. Simply we have to compare the number. Compare means which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So basically it is belongs to some rules. Firstly we will see some rules. Firstly we will read them. First rule is 2-digit number is always bigger than 1-digit number. Suppose 16 is always bigger than 9. Second, 3-digit number is always bigger than 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Like 763 is always bigger than 2-digit number or 1-digit number. It is very much sure. Similarly, we can say 4-digit number is always bigger than 3, 2 and 1-digit number. And 5-digit number is always bigger than 4, 3, 2 and 1-digit number, and so on. It goes like this only. The second rule of comparison of two numbers is when we have given two numbers. Suppose I am taking an example of 4-digit number. The two numbers are 4623 and the other number is 4263. Now what we have to do to compare these two numbers? As you can see, both numbers have 4 digits. So how will you compare them? So firstly we will start from the leftmost digit. Here on 1000 place is 4. In another number on 1000 place there is 4 also. So we will see the second digit which is on 100 place. Here in first number 6 is there and in second number there is 2. So always remember, as you know all, that 2 is always smaller than 6. So this number will judge which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Simply the 4623 number is 4263. In between, 4623 is bigger than 4263. This is the sign of greater than. And when we read this number, this equation, we will read it like 4623 is greater than 4263. This is the open space. This is the open space between the sign. This depicts the bigger value and this is the dot. This depicts the smaller value. Okay. Now let us take another example. Example number 2. Suppose number is 7206 and 762. Sorry, 726 and 762. Now we have to compare which one is bigger and which one is smaller. What we have to do? We will start from the leftmost digit. Both the numbers, both the digits are same in both the numbers. First digit. Second digit here is 2 and here in this number there is 6. So when we compare 2 and 6, we always know that 6 is bigger than 2. So we will put here the sign like this. As I told you before, this dot depicts the smaller value and this open head, it depicts the greater value. Now in these numbers, in both these numbers between 726 and 762, 762 is greater than 726. And when we read it, we will read like 726 is smaller than 762 because here 726 is smaller and 762 is bigger. And third, when the numbers are equal. Suppose there is a number 1000. Let us take another example. Example number 3. Suppose I am taking here 1, 2, 3, a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, in both the numbers, the number of digits are same and numbers are also same. So 123 basically is equal to 123. So we will put here the sign of is equal to. So when we compare two numbers or more than two numbers, we have to keep in our mind that we have to use the greater than sign, smaller than sign and is equal to sign. Okay. Now next topic is our the greatest and smallest numbers. How will you make with the numbers, with the digits which are given to you, the greatest and smallest number? The greatest and smallest number. So, student, in this concept, we will learn how to make 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit numbers with the digits which are given to us. Suppose here some digits are given to us. First we will see how to make 2-digit numbers. Suppose 2 digits are given to us, 2 and 6. How will you make 2-digit number? It is very simple. Whether 2 it is on tens place and 6 on ones, or 6 on tens place and 2 is on ones place. You can make two 2-digit numbers using these two numbers differently. Now in 3-digit numbers, suppose 3 numbers are given to you, 1, 2, 3. How will you make a 3-digit number? Using these 3 numbers, you can make different numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. So as you can see from these different 3 digits, you can make 6 different numbers. Similarly, with 4-digit numbers, suppose I am taking 4 numbers here, 7, 4, 2 and 3. How will you make any 4-digit number from using these numbers? You can make easily, it may be 4,723, it may be 2,347, it may be 7,234, it may be anything. So you can easily make 4-digit number using these numbers. Now comes to our topic, which one is greatest and which one is smaller. Now the question arises from the digits of numbers, that 7, 4, 2, 3. There are 4 digits are given to us, and when we have to make the biggest number using these numbers and the smaller number using these digits. So what we have to do? Firstly, keep in your mind, when we make a smallest number by using these 4 digits, we have to make the 4-digit smaller number. When we make the smallest number, we will write the smallest digit first. Among these digits, the 2 is smallest. So firstly we will write 2. After this, we will write the numbers in increasing order. After 2, 3 will be written here, then 4 and then 7. So 2,347 is the smallest number. By using these 4 different digits we can get. Similarly, the greatest 4-digit number by using these numbers. Similarly, the process is, when we find out the greatest number we want by using these 4 digits, we always write the greatest digit among all the digits. Which is the greatest among all? That is 7. So we will write first 7. After that we will write the numbers in decreasing order, because we are getting the greatest number in all. Now after 7, which is the smaller, 4, then smaller 3 and the smallest is 2. This is the process to get any smallest or any greatest number from the given digits we can easily make. So when we want to get smallest number, we will start from the least number, and we want to get the greatest number, we will start from the biggest number. Okay, so students, Your next exercises, exercise 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8 are based on these topics. So hopefully this video is very useful to you. Please do your homework properly. Do your homework at time. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.